Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a salsa garden. So we're going to go ahead and place this Roma tomato towards the back of what I consider to be my salsa garden, so I can put a bamboo stake in there if I need to. I don't want the blooms quite yet. I wanted to get the root system going and established. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch off the flower set that's on there right now. Second, we're going to place this bell pepper to the side. That allows space for our tomato, and this is going to have room for our pepper plant to go ahead and bush and produce fruit. What's a great salsa garden without a little bit of cilantro? The problem with cilantro is that sometimes we have where it will bolt quickly into the summer. So what we want to do is we want to do smaller plants and transplants you can reseed in the fall. We have our tomato, we have our pepper plant, and then we have our cilantro. It can take a small space and you can still have plenty of produce that is growing throughout the season.